Welcome to Money Mindset Channel. In today's video, we're diving into some simple but powerful ways to make money work for you. Many people think achieving financial success is complicated, but it doesn't have to be. Today, we're going to explore some easy, practical tips that anyone can apply to take control of their finances and start seeing real results. Why set goals? It's hard to succeed without knowing what you want. Financial goals give you something to work towards and help you make better money decisions. Examples of goals: saving for an emergency fund, buying a house, planning for retirement, or even saving for a dream vacation. Visualize your goals. Take a moment to visualize your goals. Create a vision board or a mind map to help you stay motivated. Tip: make your goals SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to save money," say, "I want to save $5,000 within the next 12 months for a vacation." Section 2, Budgeting Made Simple. Why budget? Budgeting is the foundation of financial success. It helps you track where your money goes and where it should go. Simple budgeting technique: use the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs like rent and groceries, 30% to wants like entertainment, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. Creating a budget: break down your monthly income and expenses. Use categories that make sense for your lifestyle. Tip: try using budgeting apps or even a simple spreadsheet to track your monthly income and expenses. Consider apps like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget to automate tracking. Section 3, Saving Strategies for Every Income Level. The power of small savings: even small amounts can add up over time. The pay yourself first strategy: set aside a percentage of your income for savings as soon as you're paid. This way, you ensure money goes toward your goals before spending on other things. Different savings accounts. Explore high-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit CDs for better interest rates. Tip: automate your savings so a portion of your paycheck goes directly to a savings account. Consider starting a vacation fund or holiday fund to save for specific events. Section 4, Smart Spending Tips. Differentiate needs versus wants. Think twice before purchasing. Ask yourself, do I need this or do I just want it? Find alternatives. For example, make coffee at home rather than buying it daily, or buy generic brands when possible. Monthly Spending Challenge. Try a no-spend month or week where you only spend on essentials. This can help you see where you can cut back. Tip: use the 24-hour rule for larger purchases. Wait a day before making the purchase. This can help you avoid impulse buying. Section 5, Debt Management Basics. Why avoid high-interest debt? High-interest debt, like credit cards, can quickly snowball. Understanding interest rates. Explain how interest rates affect payments and total debt over time. Use examples to illustrate the impact. Snowball versus avalanche methods. Snowball focuses on paying off the smallest debts first, while avalanche prioritizes high-interest debt. Discuss the psychological benefits of each method. Tip: avoid taking on new debt for non-essential purchases until you've reduced existing debts. Consider consolidating loans for better rates. Section 6, The Importance of an Emergency Fund. What it is: an emergency fund is money set aside for unexpected expenses, like medical bills or car repairs. Why it matters: having this fund helps prevent financial setbacks and can keep you from accumulating debt. How much to save? Start small. Aim for $500 to $1,000 initially, then build up to at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. Tip: consider separate savings accounts for your emergency fund to avoid mixing with daily spending. Section 7, Basic Investment Strategies. Why invest? Saving alone isn't enough to build wealth. Investing can help grow your money over time. Beginner-friendly investments. Look into index funds, ETFs, or retirement accounts like a 401k or an IRA. Discuss the benefits of starting early with small investments. Understanding risk. Briefly explain the concept of risk and return. Higher potential returns often come with higher risks. Tip: start early, even if you're only able to invest small amounts. Compound interest will help your money grow over time. Section 8, track your progress and adjust. Why track? Checking your progress keeps you motivated and shows if you need to make adjustments. Setting reminders. Use calendar reminders to review your financial goals monthly or quarterly. Tip, regularly review your goals and adjust your budget or savings if needed. Celebrate your milestones to stay motivated. Conclusion. To wrap up, financial success doesn't have to be complicated. By setting clear goals, creating a budget, saving smart, managing debt, building an emergency fund, and investing, you can take control of your finances with ease. Start applying these tips today and watch as your financial future improves. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient and consistent, and you'll see results. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the video helpful.